Hi everyone, I'll be running you through our app. It's called party.fun. So the first feature is that you can toggle between the dark and light modes, just like this. So let's just create an organizer account. I just press create an account and I want to sign as an organizer. I'll key in my username and email. Password. My university and my metri number. I just have to press create an organizer account and I'll key in my details when I'm directed back to this page. So the first thing you'll see on this screen is the list of events which you can potentially join. The unique thing about organizers is that they are able to host events unlike regular users. I just have to press create an event. If I'm too lazy to think of a title or a description, I can just ask the AI for help. I like the name Campus Bash. And I like this description. I think it's quite attractive. For the picture, I just use the default one, but right, you can set your own one as well. I'll just set 1st of August at 3 p.m. as the start date and 1st of August at 5 p.m. as the end date. For location, I will choose probably somewhere like Somerset because it is quite central. You can name this venue any name you like. You just have to be clear about it. I want every uni student to attend, so I'll not select this. I'll choose hype curve. Basically, the price of the first ticket is $10 and the price of the last ticket, instead of 60, I'll choose $30. And I'll reduce this to 10 tickets, which means that as soon as there are 10 tickets for this event, it will happen. It's confirmed to happen. And the max capacity is 10 plus 150, which is 160. So no more than 160 people can join this event. You can also choose tier. Tier is basically there are two different types of prizes, the early bird and the greenlit. Greenlit is the state in which the event has already been confirmed and it is always more expensive than the early bird price. So I'll just go back to choosing hype curve. For the deadline, I'll choose somewhere reasonable, like probably 25th of July at about 9 p.m. I think that's fine. As soon as I key in all my details, I'll press publish event and your event over here has been created. One thing about organizers is that they are able to because you typically want to host events as a group, so you can send out an email to other organizers. So this is an organizer account which I have pre-created. When I press on invite, sorry, I keyed in the wrong one by accident. When I press invite, it says that the invite sent. That means this organizer have to see their email, go to their account and accept the invite. This is through pending invites, which I'll go back to it later. So I just quickly run through the analytics page. For analytics, basically, it will show you what are the popular events and events by status like completed, early bird, greenlit, cancelled. And this profit calculator is a way to track how much tickets you want to ideally sell, such that you'll be able to gain profits. And these are some operational costs. Like for example, if I change this to 100, the profit decreases. And if maybe I want the max price to be like 50, for example, the profit increases. So you just want to find that balance between the ticket revenue and operational costs. Apart from that, I'll just log out of my account and I'll log in through a user account. So one thing about users is that they cannot create events. Only organizers can create events. So this is where they'll be directed to. Basically, they'll be able to view all events just like organizers. One thing about organizers is that as an organizer, you can join other people's events, but you cannot join your own event which you created. So Campus Bash is the one which I've created using my organizer account just now. And I want to purchase about 3 tickets because I want to invite like 2 of my other friends to join. You can either choose to pay using in-app wallet or debit card. I'll choose to pay using my in-app wallet because I think I have sufficient funds. When I click on pay with wallet, as you can see, it says that it has been emailed to you and there'll be a printable PDF with QR codes. And as you notice that the prices of these tickets are different because it follows a specific formula for the hype curve. So I can just go to view my events and the event is over here. The event Campus Bash is over here, 101 Somerset Road. When I go to my email, this is the confirmation with the PDF tickets. When I open it, these are the tickets in which I have the QR codes. As soon as I scan it, then I'll be able to join the events on the actual day itself. I can also leave reviews for events. Like for example, if I like this event a lot, I will just give it 5 stars and I'll say it's amazing. And when I submit the review, when I go back to all events, the review will be shown over here. I just log out of this account for now, and then I'll show you I'll show you what else I can do using another organizer account. So I did mention about the pending invites, so I just click on pending invites and Campus Bash was the one I got invited to. I'll just press accept, and when I go to hosted events, then this is one of the events which I've hosted. It's called this Campus Bash. Yeah. I'll just log out and I'll go back to the test organizer account. And what I can do is I can create an event using an AI, but if I say something unrelated like what is 7 times 7, it'll simply tell me that's the assistant, so it cannot answer like any other queries. But I'll just say something like, I'll use the voice feature. Okay, I'll say create an event for me. I'll send it, and I like the name Campus Connect. Yep. So when I press confirm once, it'll be saved to my drafts over here, Campus Connect Night. And if I want to add it to my created events, I just press confirm, and then it's now in my created events, Campus Connect Nights, and all the details are stated over here already. So I'll just log out and I'll just log into my user account. So what I can do is that I can also ask the AI to purchase tickets for me. But first ask it something like, what are the available events I can join? When I press send, it says I only can join Campus Connect Nights. It's because for the rest of the events, as you can see, I've already purchased tickets for all of them. So I'll just say I want to purchase 5 tickets for Campus Connect Night. Yeah, try to be precise with the naming as possible such that the chatbot's able to do it. So I want to pay with a link card. This is another method of like paying. So I just say card. I'll just say link card. It'll take a while. So I need to pay $50 as you can see as soon as I press confirm. Yes, and it's bought. To verify that this is true, I just come here and I can see Campus Connect Night has been in my joint events ready. This is in my joint events ready. But this in-app wallet will not be deducted because I paid directly through my bank account. So to verify this is true, I can go to my transactions, and over here it says that $50 has been yep, $50 has been paid. Yep. This is I use Stripe for the payment system. Okay, and the last thing I'll do is I'll just go back to the test organizer account, and then like for instance, okay, I remember I created Campus Connect Night earlier. I don't like this event, so what I want to do is I want to cancel it. I'll tell them that it's not nice. And I press and I do type confirm. I press cancel event. Very soon the status will be changed to cancel. And I don't want to just like completely delete this event. Press delete event and there's nothing left. So what I can do is I can go back to my user account, because for the user I previously purchased ticket for this event, right? I can first check my email, and my email is already says that there'll be a full refund. Of sorry, it says that there'll be a full refund of $50. So if I go to my Stripe, it takes a while to load. But meanwhile, when this is happening, I'll just show you. Yep, $50 has already been refunded to my account. Yep, over here, this is the latest one. There'll be a full refund, so you'll basically get your money back, and this is what's unique about this app. Yep. And apart from that, this is all for my. Oh, and the last thing is that if you ever need help, you can always like refer to the FAQ section. You can also ask like the AI chatbot on queries, like for example, is green lit or early bird ticket more expensive? This is a generic question. You can ask the AI chatbot like questions which are not in the FAQ. Yep, so as you can see that generally early bird tickets are more expensive. Early bird tickets are cheaper than greenlit tickets. And yep, that's all for my demonstration.